iDiscovering interests and passions. At Greenvalley, we believe every child possesses unique strengths and passions waiting to be unleashed. Our innovative iDiscover program is designed to nurture and develop these individual talents, empowering children to reach their full potential. What is the Strength PLP? The Strength PLP, Personalized Learning Program, is the core of iDiscover. This pioneering approach focuses on what children excel at and enjoy, rather than solely addressing weaknesses. By emphasizing strengths, we build lasting confidence and unlock their innate abilities, creating a stronger foundation for academic success. Within the Strength PLP, children can explore a diverse range of opportunities, from traditional academic pursuits to hands-on, creative, skill-based, and technical fields. Strength PLP areas. We support the following areas within our Strength PLP. Programming. Scratch, Python, AI. Farming, hydroponics, and forest studies. Product design. Visual arts. Cooking, baking. Business and marketing. Creative writing. Content creation and media. Video editing and audio engineering. Sports. Football, cricket, volleyball, badminton, table tennis. How is it different from regular school subjects? Each learner's program is personalized to their interests and abilities, with guidance from experts in their chosen fields. Real-world projects with tangible outcomes provide invaluable experience and a sense of accomplishment. Taking passion to the next level. Starting next academic year, we're excited to offer open access to our iDiscover facilities and labs on weekends, giving children even more opportunities to explore their passions.